In this demo, I am logged in as an executive, but it is also going to be the same process for producers or hosts. I will click on an album, go to the guest section and click on add. I will fill out the mandatory fields, which are the first name, last name, and the email. And then at the bottom of the form, there is an option here to send an email where the guest can fill out his or her guest profile. Send Mitchell Gonzalez a guest profile email invitation. Now I will save, and I'm going to take a look at my email. And here's the email I received where there is the guest profile. I will click that and I will fill it out. Then I will click on next. I will skip most of the fields since this is going to be just a demo video. For the biography, uh, these can contain multiple lines. Uh, then I will hit on next. Again, I will just skip this some questions. This is a test entry. Then I will submit. And I'm going to go back to AppSheet. And I will just refresh. Let's click on my profile. And here are some of the informations that I filled out earlier. And some of the informations are not appearing here because I skipped the Google Forms for the demo.